I want to introduce working with Microsoft Word online via Office 365 and using that for automatic transcription and correction, and then look at how you can bring that into different QDA packages. So here within, I'll come to Office 365, gone to Microsoft Word, chosen a new blank document. There's then a function within Word Online here where it says dictate. If you choose the drop down from dictate, you can say transcribe, and then you can upload an audio recording. So I am going to select an audio recording, an M4A. Now I had an option prior to this to choose the language. I've left it as English United States. There are other languages you can choose. So this option is available with transcription of German, Spanish, and other languages. The documentation isn't entirely clear. You can then see the progress of the transcribing the audio file. This is usually very quick, but it can lag a little. And there we go, uploading to OneDrive. So that is now done. So you can see the transcript that is generated. You can press play. You then get the option to edit the speaker. So I can say speaker 1, in this case is SW, and I could say change all of speaker 1. And then click tick. That renames that speaker. Speaker 2, I can then rename as well, change that. Now, you have the option here to make some corrections. So you can listen. So far, no errors whatsoever. It can be a good idea to do a basic listen through here, but of course it depends on the length of the recording and what you want to do with it. But I'd certainly suggest that labeling the speakers is a good idea, and just doing an initial check. Is it the correct audio? What's the accuracy looking like? And so on. At the bottom, I can then say add to document with speakers and timestamps. This is the essential step for bringing it into QDA software. So if I say add to document with speakers and timestamps, I now have the full file. Now, at this point, it becomes useful to switch to desktop. The reason being that there are some options that are not available in Word Online. For example, well, actually, no, we've got show hide here under the 3 dots, which is important, and we can undertake a search and replace, and that's what you want to be doing, is search and replace. So replace is here. Just done a search at the top. Now, what I am looking for is that I have got SW as one of the speakers, so I could say I found that. I want to replace that with special characters. Now, this is where it becomes slightly challenging here in Word Online, because what I want to do is replace with a tab character, not that writing. This may be possible in Word Online, I'm just not sure how. So I would say open in desktop app at this stage. So you do the transcription in Word Online, you then bring it in to the desktop app, because this allows you to do more powerful search and replace. So that's the first step.